Today, we're diving into the exciting world of GIFs, those captivating animations that breathe life into your photos. Create GIFs from Photos in Gallery app. Launch the Gallery app. Click on the three dots. Select Create GIF from here. Now choose the photos to include in your GIF and tap Create GIF. Now, you can alter different aspects of your GIF, such as the animation speed, loop type, and even add text or stickers to make it more engaging. Once satisfied, tap the Save option. Did you know that you can create GIFs from the built-in camera app on your Samsung Galaxy? Open the camera app and switch to the Pro mode. Select the settings icon from the top left corner. Hit the hold button shutter to option and choose Create GIF from the drop-down menu. Now head to the camera interface. Simply press and hold the shutter button. The recorded video will be automatically converted into GIF. Depending on the model of your Samsung device, these steps may vary. Let's create GIFs using the Google Photos app. Access the Photos app. Navigate to the Library menu. Choose the Utilities option. Scroll down and hit Animation. Select the pictures you want to include in the GIF. Tap Create from the top right corner. And you're all set. You can share or download this GIF according to your preference. Third-party apps for creating GIFs from photos. Here are my top recommendations. 1. GIF Maker. Next is GIF.me, Camera Pro. Third is InShot, Canva, and Giphy. Download link is available in description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.